PPE Cold Side Intercooler Charge Pipe Installation Guide. Step 1. On both the driver and passenger side, disconnect the battery cables, and then on the driver's side, remove the cover and battery. Step 2. Unhook the latches securing the air filter. Step 3. On the driver's side, loosen and remove the bolts, securing the battery tray. Once loose, remove both the battery tray and air filter. Step 4. Remove the front airbox cover. Step 5. Loosen the hose clamp securing the cold side charge pipe to the intake elbow. Step 6. Disconnect the charge pipe from the intake elbow. Step 7. Loosen the hose clamp securing the charge pipe to the intercooler. Step 8. Disconnect the charge pipe from the intercooler, then remove from the vehicle. Step 9. Install the supplied hump coupler and hose clamps onto the intercooler. Tighten the hose clamp on the intercooler side. Step 10. Install the supplied straight coupler and hose clamps onto the PPE charge pipe. Leave the hose clamps loose. Step 11. Install the charge pipe onto the intake elbow and into the hump coupler. Step 12. Make any final adjustments and fully tighten the hose clamps. The installation of your PPE charge pipe is complete. All that's left is reinstalling the factory parts. Step 13. Reinstall the factory battery tray. Step 14. Reinstall the front airbox cover. Step 15. Reinstall the air filter and hook the latches. You may need to loosen the hose clamp on the back airbox cover to help reinstalling the air filter. Step 16. Reinstall the battery cover, and reconnect the cables on both the driver and passenger side. Installation complete.